These are the elevators at the Holiday Inn near USF and Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. They used to be US Soft Touches, but now they got modded by ThyssenKrupp. Let's go back down to 1. Here's some of your certificate. You can't see that much of it, but you can see that it says expires in August of 2026. So as of the time that I'm filming this, it's a good certificate. Let's send this one up and ride the other one. Busch Gardens art on the doors. Let's go up to 4. I did film these when these were still original back in 2019. Real quick, can you see Busch Gardens? You can, right here. I don't want to lose our elevator, so we're not going to look at it for long. There's your certificate. Your cab view.